There's only one way to fully explain and experience this. To immerse yourself within this that is Africa.
I think we have a sense of longing for nature and to reconnect with it and learn from it.
The bush itself has got a language, it's got something to tell you.
These dogs, they were running and they were heading towards the airstrip. They had a mission.
Every single day is an absolutely new day.
So we create memories.
And look at this baby right here. He's just learning how to use the trunk, imitating what the mother is doing.
It's like we want them to open a new chapter and have the first experience of what Africa is all about. The quietness.
It's a different smell.
It's about our culture.
The wilderness, the wildness. The remoteness. That is a part of you. That's what makes Africa, Africa.